Hi folks, and welcome once again to Family Friendly Bushcraft, the place where I come to make memories for my kids, save them up to YouTube, and if anybody else gets some enjoyment out of them as well, then that's absolutely brilliant. Just getting attacked by the triffids here. Bit of wisteria, mile a minute vine. Now I'd love it during this video if you could smash like, smash subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, because the more we do, the more we can bring to people, and hopefully the more enjoyment people will get out of this. Now, I enjoy being outside, the kids enjoy being outside, so why not make memories for us all? Enjoy, and we'll see you on the other side. Right, we're going to make some natural cordage out of stinging nettles, alright? That's your lesson for today. So what I want you three to do is you need to just snip away the leaves. Don't let him touch because they're nasty surprise. Right, hang on. Yeah, you can have that, mate. Wait in the sand for a minute. Right, with your stick, along the length of the... Pass me your stick. Along the length of it, you need to pound them, okay? Like that. The idea is to break up all that soft stuff from within the fibres, alright?
Okay, my pleasure.
Are you joining in, Tyson? Ah.
We'll get a new one then. Right. Stay here and Chris is just going to go get a new stick.
Okay, pal.
I'll be 5 minutes. Okay.
Right, you just want to pound it flat, you don't want to beat the life out of it, alright?
What am I holding it without getting stung?
Yeah, it's because with the pounding process you've knocked all the stinging hairs dead. See how it's starting to come apart? You want it to do that, but you don't want it to break up lengthways as well.
What, like that?
Yeah.
Ow!
Are you joining in, Leighton?
Ow!
Was you playing in the sand?
Hey, this one's mine.
Don't hit it too hard because you'll just snap it, won't you?
Yeah.
Like that.
Ow! Wow, ladybug. Wow. They're pounded.
Let's smash in. See, first attempt. It's not the prettiest cordage in the world. It's the first go with green nettles. Well done. Well done, Connor. Big grins. Yay.
Yeah.
All around these trees, all this vine is wild clematis. You can use that for cordage as well.
Oh, nice.
You see as you get into it, it's all very supple. It takes me pushing it with my nail to actually cause it to crack. Like that, see? Yeah, that's the stuff, mate. So you can make lashings with that, build shelters, use it for holding your uprights together, use it for holding timbers onto the ridge poles, things like that.
Couldn't you use it for cliff climbing?
I wouldn't, mate, no, not unless you were bloody desperate.
Okay.